Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You are going to take and save a full screen screenshot right now. First, make sure the screen shows exactly what you want. Hide passwords or private tabs. Once ready, place one finger on the Windows key and another on PRTSC, then press them together. This captures the whole display and automatically writes a PNG file to your Pictures /screenshots folder. Make sure you hear a camera sound or see a brief dim. Those are confirmation signs that the capture succeeded. Once done, open File Explorer and navigate to Pictures then Screenshots. Windows plus PRTSC saved a time-stamped PNG there. If you need a crop or annotation, right-click the image and choose Open with Photos or Paint. Use the crop tool to remove edges, then save a copy. Make sure to rename the file with a clear label so you can find it later, and move it into a project folder if needed. This keeps screenshots organized and prevents accidental overwrite. To finish, attach the saved PNG in email or messaging apps, or upload it to OneDrive or another cloud service for backup. If you want automatic cloud copies, make sure OneDrive's Pictures folder sync is enabled. Then future screenshots save to the cloud instantly. If a screenshot didn't appear, first test PRTSC alone, try FN plus PRTSC, or press Windows plus Shift plus S for the snip tool. Update keyboard drivers, and confirm no third-party app is
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.